Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Let's say you arrived in the middle of nowhere after a 12 hours bus ride and you are hungry. You see a restaurant and you wonder if you can go in because you don't want to wake up with diarrhea. So the first rule, never go into an empty restaurant. Second rule, never eat in a restaurant where everybody's just having drinks. So you check the menu right on the wall. But you really don't know if you can trust the meat. Well, your experience tells you can't trust meat in Colombia. You just had diarrhea in Medellin 3 days ago, where you had to go to the toilet for 10 times. And 2 weeks earlier you had another food poisoning which made you fart for 3 days in a row, non-stop. So no, you can't trust meat in Colombia after 7 p.m. For lunch it's totally fine, it's probably one of the best dishes, meat dishes you can get in South America. So here we go, rule 3. You can trust the meat, go for the eggs. In this case, eggs with tomato and onions, some salad and rice. Or in Spanish, huevos revueltos con tomate y cebolla, ensalada y arroz. Some sauces and a standard sugar drink.
Papa, what kind now? Limon?